One of the coolest new features in Microsoft Word is the AI-powered writing assistant called Microsoft Editor. It helps with grammar, style, and tone, acting like a personal editor right inside Word. Next, we have improved collaboration tools. You can see who is working on a document in real time, leave comments, and even chat within the document, making teamwork smoother and more efficient. Another great feature is Designer. This tool helps you create professional-looking documents with ease. Just start typing, and Designer suggests layout and formatting options to make your document look polished. Now let's talk about Office 365. One major update is the integration with Microsoft Teams. You can now schedule and join Teams meetings directly from Outlook, making it easier to manage your time and stay connected. Another exciting feature is OneDrive Personal Vault. This secure area in OneDrive uses strong authentication methods to keep your most important files safe. And don't forget about PowerPoint Live in Teams. When presenting, you can share slides, see notes, and chat with your audience all in one place. Perfect for remote presentations. These updates make your work easier, more secure, and more collaborative. Give them a try.